Hi everyone, Sammy here. Let me show you what I got in the mail today. Ta-da! It's this gift from Yesstyle. I'm so excited to unbox this because I've been waiting all day to do it. And now I finally have the chance. So for those of you who are watching my channel for the first time and you're not like really familiar with what Yesstyle is, let me give you the exact description of what they do. So Yesstyle is like an online shop and they sell beauty, clothes and lifestyle products all from Asia. And if you're familiar with my channel, you'll know that I love Yesstyle. I even have a code with them. It's SABII10. And a couple of months ago I did like another Yesstyle unboxing video where I showed you makeup products that I bought from them. Okay, enough talking, let's get to this. Okay, let's open this travel bag. I like this. It's like, I really like the size and I can totally picture myself putting all my skincare products and makeup as well, but that won't happen anytime soon because the pandemic needs to be over first before I can start traveling again. So the first item in this bag is a thank you note from Yesstyle team. Thank you so much for choosing me to review this. I really like the text font they use. It's really like my style. And now let's pick the first product. Which one should I pick? I'll go with this one, the pink one, because it matches with my pink highlights. And let's see what it is. It's from Skinfood. I have tried their face mask. I like them, but this is a finish powder. And from like the size I can tell that it's like a cushion, which I love with the setting powder because I have noticed that it applies so much easier if you have that sponge than, you know, if you apply with a brush. And I want to open it, so more ASMR coming your way. Is this how you are supposed to do it? So I was right. It's a cushion, setting powder, the sponge. It's actually soft, and here you have, well, if my camera wants to focus, here you have the setting powder, and it's clear powder, so it works on all the skin tones. So can't wait to try this. And I like using setting powder even now when I wear a mask, especially here around my eye area, so my concealer like stays on, and also like I put some on my forehead. Okay, which one should I pick next? Okay, I'll go with the purple because I was gonna go with the pink, but then I was like, okay, I want to unbox only the pink products. Oh my god, no way! So I got the cushion foundation from Ramen, and this one is from the same collection as the cushion foundation, but it's one of the blushes. It's from their Neon Moon edition. Okay. So cute, look at this. It's like this bright glittery pink, and it's called Sleep Powder. And I wanna put some on my arm, so we do like a swatch. This is what it looks like on my skin tone. So as you can see, this is like really bright pink. I would say like baby pink. So it's definitely good if you want to do like that, like natural makeup. And also it's matte. Like when I applied it, it's matte. I thought it was glittery because of like the packaging, but it's not. It's matte. I'll pick the pink product. So this one is Vintage Brown, the shade from Coringco. What it looks like. I like the packaging. It's this bright pink. Let's open it. I think it has a magnet. Oh yeah, it does. So it's super easy to open it, and the shade is perfect for the fall. But now, because I wear like mask all the time. I'm outside. I stopped wearing lipstick. I only wear lip balm, and I miss wearing lipstick because I have so many, and I feel like I'm wasting them now since I stopped wearing lipstick. And hopefully next year the pandemic will be over so I can start wearing lipstick again. Okay, let's swatch this. Oh, look at that. So is this like red brownish color, and it's not matte. It's a bit like glossy, and from applying it I can tell that it's very hydrating and it doesn't feel like heavy on the skin. So I definitely like this, because I have noticed that I like lipsticks which are like this. They're not like very heavy and they're not like matte either, because my lipsticks my lips tend to get dry so quickly. So that's why I prefer lipstick like that. Anyway, on to the next product. Which one should I pick? I think I know what this is already. And I'm getting super excited, and I'm also hungry. So yeah, it's ramen. I know by the packaging, because this is actually my favorite kind of ramen. So if you want to be my friend, you know what you have to do, just buy me ramen. So this is ramen with cheese, and it's also spicy. And I know about Samyang. I'm sorry if I mispronounced that, because they did a collaboration with Tony Moly 2 years ago. And I bought those makeup products, and I was like, and they also gave me like a pack of ramen. So that's when I tried this brand for the first time, and I got hooked. But that one was the super spicy one. And then I went to H Mart, yeah, and I was like, wait, this one has like pink packaging, and you know me, like my favorite color is pink, like it's pretty obvious, right? And I tried this, and I was like, okay, this is my favorite kind of ramen. So yeah, thank you Yesstyle for sending me food. I won't starve today. Okay, which one should I pick next? I don't know, I feel like this is so hard. Okay, I'll go here. Oh, those are stickers. I actually need to put more stickers on my MacBook. And it's a penguin. Look at this, it's so cute. Look at that. Oh, him dancing, listening to music. This is me every time I listen to music. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, and he's in Paris. He's in Paris. Is he Emily in Paris? But yeah, those are really cute. Okay, I'll just pick like a thing at random. Oh, this is a bamboo mini kit. Oh, keep cool. I have used their toner. I actually finished it yesterday, and I love it. If you have sensitive skin, it didn't break me out at all, so I recommend that one. Oh yeah, it's this toner that I tried. Keep Calm and Soothe toner. Oh, so this is like a mini kit of their best-selling products. Yes. And this is their serum. My camera is not listening to me today. And then here we have their lotion, so like moisturizer. Oh, and we have mini face mask or what? Let me see. Oh no, I got too excited. Here it tells you like how to use those products, and it's in English, so that's good. And yeah, and from Keep Cool, I also have tried their face mask, and I love those, so that's why I got like excited for a second. I was like, yay, more face masks for me to try. Then the next product here, oh, speaking of face masks, the timing is perfect. So these are from Esfolio. Oh, and Aloe essence mask sheets. I love these. These are perfect, especially now because my skin is super dry. I don't know if it's because of the weather, because of the face mask. And let me take one out. So this is what it looks like, and I love aloe vera because it offers hydration, and if you have sensitive skin, acne prone, this is for you. And this is a pack of 10, so yeah, now I won't complain that I don't have enough face masks for me to try. And here is a good opportunity to plug in my Instagram. So if you follow me on Instagram at SABII10, every other Monday I do Mask Monday, where I review face masks on my stories. So I'll definitely review this and post it on my Instagram stories, so follow me and stay tuned. So these are these are hair rollers. I don't really use these because I don't have bangs, and I tried to use them when I was younger, like in middle school. I was like, oh, I want to wear like my hair like in curly hair, because my hair has always been like straight, but I never knew like how to use them properly, so like my hair stays curly nicely. But maybe this is a chance for me to give it another try. And they're like green, they're like lime green. This is a cleansing balm set from Zero. This is such a nice packaging. It reminds me of those chocolate box sets you see at airport at duty free, but this is skincare. Not food. Like, can you tell I'm hungry? So we have 4 okay, so this is from Banila, the name of the brand, and this is their Zero Clean It Zero set. So we have a cleansing balm. So as you can tell from the size, these are like mini ones. Oh my god, I cannot see because this is like bright pink, and like the color is like the text is white. So I took this one, which is the purifying cleansing balm. So this is the purifying cleansing balm, and then I'll just put this back here. Then the next one, so this one, let me take it out. This one is the Balm Nourishing. Then here we have the Revitalizing Cleansing Balm, and the last one is Original Cleansing Balm. So this is the Original Cleansing Balm, and since it's the first one from this line, I'm gonna open it. It doesn't really have a smell. Like, it smells like how cleansing balms smell like. So with these ones, I usually like to use like a spatula and like dig in it, but I'll use my fingers so I can show you. Can't really see it because it's clear, but see, it's this like very like my finger here is like oily now. So that's the balm. And then how you apply this is, you know, I can even apply it now like all over like my makeup, and then I like massage it like really well all over my face, and then I wash it off. So I really look forward to trying this because my makeup is waterproof. So when it comes to like cleansing balms, you know, I like to test them to see if they can really take off all my makeup in one go, especially the eyeliner and the mascara. So I'll be reviewing these on my Instagram. This is I think this is a t-shirt. Oh, it is actually. It's one of those tie-dye t-shirts. It's so soft. Okay, I'll be back as I want to try it on, and I got it like in a large. This is what the t-shirt looks like. It feels so comfy. And it's large too, because I was afraid that it might not fit me because the sizes on Yesstyle are Asian sizes, so they tend to be a bit smaller than the Western ones. And this is all in terms of the unboxing, and I want to thank Yesstyle again for choosing me to do a review on Box of Chic. And I will add a link to all the products I mentioned in this video in the description box, so you can shop them if you want to. And other than that,